Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing another day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Bitcoin has been dumping to the downside this evening, going from basically 27k down to 25.4k. But where do we go from next? And what has been causing this dump to the downside? Well, let's look at the charts. So basically what's been going on is that the SEC in the US has been going after Coinbase and Binance, and a possible cause for this dump we saw during this evening is that Binance has halted its trading in dollars on its US exchange. So Binance US is affected by this because the SEC has caused going after the exchanges Coinbase and Binance, the big ones, and a couple of cryptocurrencies such as I know ICP is affected by this, that they've been claiming that the ICP is a security and so on. So this has been affecting this dump that we've seen during this evening, and I do think we will continue, and I'm going to explain to you why, because we have to zoom out a bit and see it really clearly that we have been following this market maker structure. As you know, the market maker structure usually is something like this: W bottom, first leg up, first retrace, second leg up, second retrace, third and final leg up, ends with a double top formation, and then we continue to the downside in 3 steps where we form another double bottom formation and continue on from there. So we are basically somewhere here right now. And as you can see, we completed the double top formation, first leg down, first retrace, second leg down, second retrace, and now we are currently in our third and final leg down, where we might possibly bottom out at 25k, or we could go down to 22k and form a W bottom there, or we could even possibly go to 20k. That is where we have some volume candles. If you use the PVSRA tool, you mark these candles off because they always get recovered. We saw it here, this volume candle right here, recovered, and so on. You can go on every time frame, and when we day trade, we usually like to use the 1 hour time frame. So what needs to happen in order for us to confirm this last leg down is that we need to break this low right here at 25.351. When we break that, we are confirming a last leg down, or basically we could even say that we have when we broke this low right here at 25.8k. I told you that in my last video, if we close a 1 hour candle below that zone, it is confirmed that we are in our last leg down. We had a retrace to the upside up to 27k. That was just a shakeout of the shorts because everybody's looking at this zone and going short in this area. So the market maker just pumped the price quickly, liquidating those people, and then price reversed to the downside again. And this time I do think we will continue to the downside until we form a double bottom formation. So the next target is at 25k for Bitcoin. If we break that, we're going to 22.2k. Break that, we could go down to 20.5k to the downside before we form a double bottom formation, and we continue to the upside from there. Looking at the news events, next week is a huge one. We have the CPI numbers coming out on Tuesday, and we have the FOMC press conference and funds rate on Wednesday. Big moves coming during Tuesday and Wednesday, so be prepared for that. If you aren't in any positions, wait for the press conference to finish before you place any trades. However, this is not financial advice. You do whatever you want to do. If we look at the liquidation map, we do see that a lot of shorts has been coming in. Of course, when price goes aggressive to the downside, everybody wants to make money, going short. So we could have another retrace to the upside up to, let's say, 27k, I would say, to grab all the liquidation points in that area before we continue to the downside. We have a lot of liquidation points stacked at 22k. We also have a volume candle there, and we have liquidation cluster 20k. We also have a volume count there. So you decide what you want to do. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Now let's look at Chainlink. This is huge, guys. Chainlink has broken our range. Currently we're at $5, almost $5 to the T. And as you can see, we've broken all of the lows and our range. As I told you, we've been in this range for a year, from $6 up to $8.5, and that is where we've traded for the last couple of months as well. And currently we're going to the $5 mark and lower. If we zoom in on the daily time frame, we can see that we have volume counts in that area at $4.7, and target after that is at $4.1. If we break that and continue even further to the downside, we could see a $3.2 Chainlink. Break that, your next target is at $2.3. Huge opportunity to buy in. Not financial advice, but Chainlink is a great project. And if you get in at these low prices, I do think you're gonna make a lot of money in the next bull run. However, not financial advice. And as you can see, we dump into downside pretty hard. So you do whatever you want to do, but could be a huge buying opportunity. Not financial advice. That's it for today. I hope you learned something today and that you like and subscribe. And we will talk to each other in the next week. Have a good one. Big Boss out.